Welcome back. Government will consider Comunidad Commission's report to resolve Comunidad issues. The Deputy Chief Minister Francis de Souza informed this to the Assembly on Tuesday. He said if all MLAs agree, he is ready to raise residential clause to buy land from 15 years to 25 years. The Urban Development Minister has made it clear that the government will not interfere unnecessarily in municipal administration. He also announced amendments in Moonkar and Tenancy Act.
Failure to keep a check on illegalities on Comunidad land and also increase the residency period to 25 years for leasing remaining Comunidad land.
And this is not with a political purpose at all. People soon attach political motives. Speaker sir, I want to mention here, when you cannot demolish even a single house, when no government of the day has ever chosen to demolish a house, what is the other alternative? Legalize the houses. When you talk of empowering the common man, when you talk of giving power in the hands of poor people, when you say गरिबांक वयर काडटा, कशे वयर काडटा, तांकां दोनी करती जे घरान 30-40 वर्सां रावता तेजेर.
दोन अमेंडमेंट बिल आयतले मुणकार कायद्याक आनी टेनन्सी एक्टाक. हो विशय आतां जाता पळय तितको सुटावे फास्ट करपाचो, फास्ट ट्रॅकार हाडपाचो आमचो अर्दो टर्म सोंपत येयलो. पूण म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या 6 म्हयने ते वर्स भितर हो विशय सुटपाक जाय. आनी काम चालू आहा, काम चालू ना न्हू, काम चालूय आहा. हो आमची भावना वेगळी वेगळी आसता. आमी कोमुनिदाद खातीर कोमुनिदाद कमिशन घडयलां. गरजेशिवाय नगरपालिकाच्या ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भितर पडचो ना. हांव स्पश्ट दिता, डिलिमिटेशन करपाची आवश्यकता आहा म्हणून. कारण मडगांव एका वॉर्डान 8000 मतदार आहा, दुसऱ्या वॉर्डान 2000 मतदार आहा. हे रॅशनलायझेशन जावपा जाय, नाल्यार वॉर्ड वाडपा जाय. म्हाका दिसता गोंयभर हें करपाक आमकां सादारण हे वर्स लागतले, 12 म्हयने तरी लागतले. एक फावटी ह्यो 4 सर्विसी ऑनलायन येयल्यो की खंयच्याच मनशाक मामलतदाराच्या ऑफिसान वचपाची गरज पडची ना. हे सगळें काम तलाटी करतलो आपल्या जाग्यार बसून, की रेजिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट 25 वर्सां जावपा जाय म्हणून. सगळे एका मताचे आसत जाल्यार करया न्ही. हांव फॉर आहा, हांव करपाक तयार आहा, पूण आरते परते उलोवपा जायना.
गोंयकारांक जागा घेवपाक तुम्ही 25 वर्सां, 10 वर्सां, 20 वर्सां सांगता. जो येता दुसरे दीस थंय घर बांदता आनी रावता. वास्कोच्या भोंवती बोली वचून पळयात तुमी.
Goa Tourism's master plan will be ready within 38 weeks. Goa government has already appointed project management consultants in few talukas and work has begun from July. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar informed the Assembly on Tuesday. Vishnu Wagh had raised the question, stressing need to preserve heritage monuments in the state. Parulekar said MLAs, ZP members and panchayats will be taken into confidence before finalizing the plan.
The proposed tourism master plan will be addressed. मास्टर प्लॅन आमी करता म्हणटा. सो मास्टर प्लॅन करपा खातीर KPMG इंडिया एंड TNL स्पेन हेच्या दोनांयच्या सहकार्यान फुडल्या एका 25 वर्सां खातीर गोंयचे टुरिजम खात्यांत कितें सुदारणा जावची हेच्या खातीर ताका 38 वीक आमी दिल्ले आसा. ह्या 38 विकान जे आमी एक 8 एम्पॅनल एजन्सीक केल्ले आसा, PMC, प्रत्येक तालुका वायज, म्हणजे एक 2-4 तालुकाक मिळून 2-3 तालुका मिळून एक आमचे PMC प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजमेंट कन्सल्टंट जो आहा वो दिल्लो आहा. आनी ऑलरेडी म्हाका दिसता काणाकोणा, केपें, सांगे, धारबांदोडा, बिचोले, पेरणे, सत्तरी ह्या तालुके जे आसा, ह्या तालुक्यान ही PMC एजन्सी आसा पळय ही काम करता.
पण मास्टर प्लॅनचें काम सुरू जालें ऑलरेडी.
1 म्हयनो जालो.
तुमी तुमचे निर्देश कितें आहा तांकां? तुमी सांगला तांकां वचून मेळात, कोणाक मेळा म्हणून सांगला काय लोकांनी स्वताहून तांकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करपाचें, काय ते लोकांक करतले, जावं पंचायतीक करतले, जावं आमदाराक करतले?
आमचे कडेन जितकी जी प्रपोजलां थोडे पंचायतीची येयल्या, थोडे आमदारांची येयल्या, ही सगळी आमी ताका ऑलरेडी दिल्या, तेंचे कडेन फीडबॅक दिला तांकां. तेज्या भायर ते आतां 1 म्हयने तांकां 38 वीक आमी दिल्या काम करपा खातीर. आनी 38 वीक जाल्या नंतर तो आमकां मास्टर प्लॅन दितलो. पूण तेज्या पयलीं जे सगळे आमचे आमदार आसा ह्या हावजान, हे सगळ्या आमदारांक थोडे कोण आमचे सरपंचांनी दिला तांकां सरपंचांक किंवा झेडपींक हांकां सगळ्यांक तो तेंचें कितें आसा पळय तें कन्सिडर करतलो.
Petitioner Samir Kelekar has withdrawn his petition from the High Court alleging a scam in purchase of tablets for students. The High Court observed that the petition has many loopholes. The petitioner has neither challenged the tender process nor has made tablet supplier company a respondent. Chairman of Infotech Corporation of Goa, Subhash Phaldesai, commented, saying petition was filed just to defame Parrikar government.
During the hearing on Tuesday, the High Court observed that petitioner Samir Kelekar filed petition after completion of tender process. The High Court also observed that the petitioner's plea is not maintainable. Petitioner had pleaded to the High Court to stop payment to the supplier company. The High Court observed that petitioner has not made supplier company a party and company has supplied the tablets. Hence, payment cannot be stopped. Petitioner's another plea was to stop government from ordering more tablets to the same company. The High Court observed that next order cannot be given without next round of tender. Hence, such direction cannot be given at this point of time. Finally, petitioner Samir Kelekar withdrew his petition. Over the withdrawal of this petition, Chairman of Infotech Corporation of Goa, Subhash Phaldesai, commented, saying, petition was filed just to defame Parrikar government.
काहीच पळयनासतना लोकांची बदनामी करपा खातीर हायकोर्टान गेला म्हणून व्हडली व्हडली पत्रकां काडपाची सगळे पेपरांनी ती छापपाची सगळे चॅनलांनी मिडियान तो हें करपाचो आनी हळूच मागीर वचून हें जायनाशिल्लें. वास्तवीक अशे प्रकार खुबशे कडेन जायत आसात. स्कॅन्डलां म्हणपाची ती कोर्टान व्हरता म्हणून भंय दाखोवपाची आनी खऱ्यांनीच कोणी कितें केलें जर जायत तातूंतल्यान पयशे लाटपाचो प्रयत्न हो चल्लो आसा. हांव सुरवातीच्यान सांगतालो की ह्या केसी भितर दम ना.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Anjuna police has cracked Luisa Fernandez murder case completely. Police have arrested another two accused, Vijay Harmalkar, Sunil Shirur, Parshuram Chavan and Srinivas alias Raju Chavan. Police said that contract killers were hired to kill Luisa. Main conspirator is still at large. PI Paresh Naik said that deceased Luisa Fernandez was about to sell her property worth crores. The deal went sour and she was strangulated to death by contract killers.
On 30th July, we received information that at Anjuna, Purche Bhat at Anjuna, one lady, Luisa Fernandez, was murdered by unknown persons and her sister-in-law, Srimati Tarsila Fernandez, was fatally injured. Accordingly, we registered a case of murder and 307, attempted to murder, and proceeded to the house. Investigations were conducted in this case and it was revealed that the deceased lady, Srimati Luisa, had a property which she was about to sell to someone, and the property was worth in crores, and as the property deal went sour, the suspected accused gave contract to some unknown persons and killed her by manual strangulation. All four accused persons who committed the act are arrested. The further investigation in this case is in progress. So we'll try to arrest the main accused as soon as possible. The people who are involved in the actual murder are arrested and they are lodged in lockup.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.